All right, we have our table fully designed. It is time to start programming the CNC. So this is the big understanding, and the purpose of this is so that we can program that CNC to what we need. So we're going to start out. I'm going to go into Inspect and hit Display Component Colors, just so I can kind of see the different pieces and parts that are going on. I can see everything going here. So I'm going to go up to Design, and I'm going to go down to Manufacture. Manufacture will get us into the world of programming. Our toolbar, ribbon bar has changed, and we are starting to go. We're going to start out, I should see one TH or our initials and then the name of the table here. Unit should say inches. If it doesn't, just hit Change Document Units. Change it from millimeters to inches over here, and then check Set Default and hit OK. Over here I can see models. Right here is this model. And here's all my information about this model. So I like to keep this open and closing. We're going to be in here a ton. Then my next area is setups. So we're going to do different setup for each piece that we're going to be cutting. So we're going to cut 3 different pieces here. We're not going to cut anything on the top. We're going to cut our apron. We're going to cut the mortise. Our support, we're going to cut the swoop. And our legs, we're going to cut the mortise. So we're going to start out with aprons. So I'm going to turn off the support and everything else. And I like to program on these first 4, not on these mirrors and all that kind of stuff. So I got my support up. Now I'm going to go Setup, New Setup. And in the setup, it's going to ask for my model. I'm going to pick X right there, because it's going to probably pop up that it shows me my whole model, like I'm carving this out of one giant block. I'm going to come over and pick my apron. Then I'm going to go over to, I'm going to finish that out and hit OK. Slow double click and rename that Setup Apron. I like to keep no spaces, and I like to keep capital letters at the beginning of words so I can read it faster. Then I'm going to turn off the apron. I'm going to turn on the support and go Setup, New Setup. And you're going to kind of see this apron for a second. We're going to fix that in a little bit. Model right here. I want to hit X. And I'm going to pick the support number 1. There's my model. OK. Right click and rename, or slow double click. Setup. Support. And that renamed it. I'm going to turn off the support, turn on the leg. Ooh, the leg is way over here. I'm going to go Setup, New Setup. Again, you're going to see the apron kind of come in. We're going to fix that in a minute. I'm going to hit the X on the model. I'm going to pick the leg, hit OK. Slow double click, Setup, leg. And now I have my 3 setups done, and I am ready to move forward. That's the end of this video. Go ahead, take care of it.